everyone. In this video, I will speak about how can we return multiple values from a function. So for that, I am going to my VS Code and will be creating a function. And what that function will be doing is we will provide a list of numbers to that function as an input. And function should return us what all numbers are divisible by 2 and what all numbers are not divisible by 2. So for that, let's go ahead and quickly define a function. So this is my function name, and here I'm taking variable name as input. So here we can create, let's say, an empty list divisible, and similarly I will create a new list not divisible. So these two variables will hold the resultant value, whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. Now next thing is we need to put a for loop. Here we are not doing anything much in this logic. It's pretty simple here, and we are checking if the remainder of that number with respect to 2 is 0. It means we can say that this number is divisible by 2. So in that case, we will simply append it to our divisible list. Otherwise, we will put it into not divisible. And here we can say this. Once this is done, next thing is to return the values. So to return the values, we will use a keyword return, and then we will say divisible as well as not divisible. So this is how you can return values, multiple values from a given function. Now if you have to make a call to this function, then take this function name, and then we need to pass input. So here we will be passing a list of numbers, let's say 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 20. In turn, this function will return two values. First is divisible as well as not divisible. So I'm just giving n and d word, and then we will say print numbers divisible. So here we will provide that list, which is d, and then we will say numbers not divisible. So here we will provide nd. So let's save it and run this. So here you can see that in output we got two values. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 20 are divisible, whereas 3 and 5 are not divisible by 2. So this is how you can return multiple values from a given function. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thanks for watching.